Hi everybody, this is Carter Smith area. I'm gonna try the hot dog now. Okay everybody, now I'm gonna try the fries now. So I was chewing the hot dog now. Enjoy the commercial until I pick up a fry. Thank you and goodbye. I'm chewing the fry right now. There is one more food I need to try. And that's it. And then I'm done. It's this one. Let's try it. Okay everybody, I am now done trying the food right here. Right here, see? I'm done trying the food right now. This is Carter Smith area saying I'm done now, okay? Thank you for watching. This is Carter Smith area signing off. Thank you and goodbye.